DIY estate planning, many people do it, but there are a lot of pitfalls associated with DIY estate planning. So what do I mean? What am I talking about? I've had people bring me existing estate plans to review, and they were a nightmare. So I've seen plans that were generated by other attorneys that 5 pages deep had the wrong client's name listed. I had other individuals bring me their plans and they were single, and the documents all had language within them as if the person was a married individual. I've seen plans that are so outdated that they don't contemplate modern tax laws and tax regulations. And so the individuals would actually pay a significant amount of taxes. I mean, there's just so much that goes into an estate plan. And if you are wanting to do a DIY estate plan, understand that you must be familiar with family law, real estate law, banking regulations, tax regulations. I mean, the list goes on and on. And that's really how you can get yourself or get your family into a lot of trouble, a lot of headache, by trying to do an estate plan by yourself without the guidance of an attorney. So if you have an existing estate plan, dust it off, bring it to me. Let's take a look at it. Let's make sure that you, your assets, and your loved ones are protected. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you soon.